Yeah. Super comfortable and very lightweight.
This whole print is done by me.
ये बंदा बहुत cool है.
Let's welcome him on the stage.
Shout out to NIF, Borivali and South Mumbai. Let's go! There's something exciting. Let's go. Yo guys, I'm getting inside this room where fashion is flowing right now. Let me show you. Hello, hi. Whoa, bro, look at this. Let's get some conversations going. Hello. What's your name, ma'am?
Hi, Jagriti.
Are you a model here?
Yes.
How long have you been into modeling?
10 years.
10 years is a long time.
Yes.
What's the first thing that you noticed in a guy?
A good height. जो jeans ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं, that loose fit, like baggy jeans. I like your pants. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Taranveer. I'm a student over here.
Why did you choose this profession?
I always wanted to be into fashion.
What kind of outfits impress you?
Baggy jeans, oversized t-shirts, good sneakers.
Guys, you're getting my point, right? I'm helping you out. So next time when you're getting ready for the dates,
I'm
get
giving
some
you pointers.
She's giving you pointers. Thank you so much. Cheers. Have fun. What's your name?
Carol.
Carol, how long have you been modeling?
It's been 8 years.
What's the first thing that you notice in a guy?
I don't look at them.
You don't look at them. You look at girls. Like, what do you notice in girls then? First thing.
Their eyes, their beauty,
eyes, their
yeah.
beauty. Enjoy your time. Have
Thank
fun.
you.
Thank you. What's your favorite fit that you have created? Wow, this is so cool. This is like a baddie kind of an outfit.
So
is that
this
so?
is when she'll walk, she'll drop the jacket and it's straight.
Oh, okay. Is this going to be up out there on the runway today?
Yes.
I'm very excited to look. If I would become really famous, I would have one fashion stylist who could deck me up. I mean, make it better than this. at
Shruti
least.
Manyar, I'll send you my contact.
She's right on point. What's your name?
I'm Srishti.
How long have you been modeling?
12 years.
What's that one fashion blunder that guys do in 2026?
Overconfidence maybe?
Oh, and
Confidence is good, but sometimes overconfidence, they actually forget the choreography because of that.
what do you notice the first thing in a guy in terms of fashion?
Their shoes.
I wish you a great time. I love your energy. Thank you so
you.
much. Hi, what's your name?
Gitika.
What's your drive? Like, is it fashion? Is it interior design? What's
Fashion.
What inspires you?
No, it's just like I'm young. I'm still dicey about it.
That's
But
all
fashion
right.
is what I want to do.
That's all right. I'm still figuring out. I just enjoy this thing. So,
I'm carrying.
this is not planned, guys. I like your hair, by the way. You did this today itself, or is it your regular
It's
hairstyle?
natural.
This
I think you have complimented my hair before also when you came for the talk.
Oh, that way. Ah, I
Yeah.
thought DM to the What do you do, Wanda?
I'm a second year student in NIF.
What's the first thing that you notice in a girl?
Not so much in a girl, like वैसे दिखता नहीं वैसे.
Boys?
Boys में तो mainly shoes देखता हूँ मैं.
My name is Bhanu Pratap Singh. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir.
You have an aura, bro. I always wanted to talk to you. I thought कब मौका मिलेगा? ये cool
Crazy
बंदा
यार.
भी ये हो गया
ये
था.
बंदा crazy है.
अरे नहीं.
It was really nice meeting you.
I'm genuinely बोल रहा हूँ.
Thank you,
Bro,
thank you.
tell me something. How many people do you find really healthy first of all in India? Competition उधर ही
Very
cut off
less,
हो गया.
very less. Thank you
Good
so much.
looking, ऊपर वाले
Thank
की
you so
मेहर
much.
है. You again killing there.
Thank you so
आपके पास
much.
बात
Again.
करने की तहजीब है और क्या चाहिए? These are the things, guys, you need to have. You don't need expensive clothes. You
Exactly.
don't need
Just listen to
expensive
him.
things. You need a good body. You need to work out on yourself. Invest in yourself. Learn how to talk. This is all. Come to Mumbai. Fulfill your dreams.
Bombay, Amchi Mumbai.
Amchi Mumbai.
Thank you so
Let's
much.
go, bro. Thank you so much. Have fun. How do you feel right now?
Good and excited.
The outfit looks so just.
Thank you so much.
Outfit is all ready. How do you feel right now?
I feel like a diva. The outfit is really beautiful. I love wearing this outfit.
Nervous, excited,
Never nervous.
always excited.
Yes.
How comfortable are you feeling in this?
It's quite comfortable. I feel stunning. It's very flowy.
Superb. Enjoy, slay it as you usually do.
Yes, I do. Thank you.
The end.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we also have our event partner, Mr. Amit Pandey, India's sneaker expert, a full-time sneaker and culture creator from Smart Kicks. With Zordar Talia, let's welcome him on the stage. Wow, love the sneakers. Look at that, everybody. Amit Pandey has arrived. The most stylish you're looking tonight. Thank Thank you so much for making it so special by joining us.
Come out, I want to talk to you. You slayed it, man. The way you pulled it off, and the drop wala outfit, the jacket, it became a gown. Oh man, it was so insane.
I am just like कि ठीक ठाक collection बना दिया है मैंने.
You're someone who believe in the real work rather than talking.
It was just metamorphosis only, but I just don't want to look it very pinky and flowery kind of thing. I just wanted कि denim ऐसा confident वाला लगता है कभी भी.
Why streetwear though?
If I give traditional, then again it's not freedom kind of thing.
True, man. I mean, it's so lovely. How old are you, by the way?
I'm 21.
Bro, at 21, she pulled off this mind-blowing outfit. Kudos to you. Keep slaying it. Yatri, slaying it at the top note just towards the end. How do you feel right now?
I feel amazing. All the hard work paid off finally.
That streetwear fit, such colorful outfits.
Yes.
And now I get it why you love this outfit. of
Yeah,
yours as well.
exactly.
How many days, how many months of hardship was this?
This was around 1.5 months on making of the outfit, and prior to that, the ideation part is another 1 month, so totally 3 months.
Love it. Keep up the good energy.
Thank you,
I'm
thank
definitely
you so
going
much.
to cheer you up, hype you up all on the
Yay!
channel. This is what a fashion show is known for. Let's go.
Yay, let's go!
Hello. How was the experience at the fashion show?
So good.
So good.
I love the concepts. The concepts of every collection was amazing. Like,
How was the show for you?
It was good. It
You
was
enjoyed
good.
it?
Yeah.
Did you find it interesting?
yes.
Which was the
it
favorite designer for you?
Yatri Shah.
Yatri Shah, the streetwear scene. Hello. How was the show? How was the
It
show
was
for you?
fantastic. I love the creativity, the confidence, the color, and the experiments the upcoming buddy designer, fellow designers have done. Commendable. I loved it.
वो सब ठीक है. I love your eyewear. Where is that from?
And I love you.
Thank you so much. Let's have a hug. How was the show?
The show was absolutely fantastic. Being a teacher, I could spot talent, and it was so phenomenally done. And the cuts, the fall of the material, the finishing, everything was superb.
Favorite designer from today?
The colorful one, the last one.
Yatri, we need you here. How was the show?
Amazing.
How would you rate it out of 10?
9.
Who was your favorite designer?
Last 2-1.
Last 2-1, right? What a fashion show. This was my first time and mind-blowing experience. I couldn't believe this is something that the students can create. Amazing. I hope you enjoyed this part of the vlog. And if you really did, drop a comment, let me know. Until my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks. Let's go.